Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. Right here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also, if you enjoy the content, take a second to hit that thumbs up. It's found right underneath the video. It will turn blue. That number will increase, and that's you helping me get noticed on the YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay, today is a little bit of a unique video for me as well as my channel, because it is showing you a little bit more of the lifestyle type products that I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about them as well. This company reached out to True Wants, and I want to thank REDMOND for doing that. A lot of companies reach out, but we are very, very selective, as you know, if you watch my channel, of what it's something that I know I'm going to enjoy and be able to play with a little bit and know about the brand as well as the product. And I think it's something that you guys would enjoy as well. I want to be able to use this platform to share that with you. So today, that's what today's video is all about. So we were offered a couple of products to choose from their website, which I did. And when I show you and share with you a little bit about this company, you will understand why. So the two products that we are going to be going through today, and really I'm just touching on them because, like I said, I want to make sure that you guys know about it. It's always important that you guys also do your own research. As you can tell by what I'm wearing, this is an apron, and it is an apron because we are talking about kitchen, to me, essentials. So the first item that we chose is this item here, and we're talking this company called REDMOND. And this is a company that, if you're not familiar with, they are really, really an innovative brand. You can find their products on their website. They're also at like big brand box stores, including Costco's, and they also have a beautiful, beautiful, if you're more comfortable shopping on Amazon. This was not an Amazon deal that was made or anything like that. This is not sponsored. They solely asked us to choose a couple of products. I chose a couple of products that I thought would be of interest to you as well. And it was after doing the research that I saw that they were also available on Amazon with a beautiful, beautiful website. And the reviews everywhere, no matter where I went, were very, very strong. So that's important to me as well. So let me just read you a little bit about their company, and then we'll go through. Like I said, we have a couple of products here. The first one was one that we chose here, and we chose it with the aqua color for their toaster, but it's an LED toaster. It's something really unique that I've never seen before. And then the other item that we chose is this item here, and you can choose it in any color that you want, including the color, like the calmest color was this cream color. But all the colors are very retro, but it's retro with technology, and to me, that's everything. So this is a company called REDMOND. They're out of California, and what it said on their website, it says that they are on the forefront of technology. They're a leader in modern appliances and advanced technology. REDMOND is on a mission to make your life as easy and stress-free as possible by creating products designed specifically for our lifestyles. Their products offer you the latest and most advanced technology with innovation in all the fields of electronics. So like I said, there's a lot more than what I'm showing you here. These were the two products that we chose because they're ones that we personally think we would use. So from here, it says from health to success. They said they're the leader in healthier lifestyle of achieving more success in every area of your life. REDMOND, which is the name of the company, is there to facilitate making our dreams a reality. Their products are designed to improve your overall quality of life so you can spend more time focusing on what really matters. They have high-tech appliances that help you maintain a healthy lifestyle, which is not only in order to get the most in your life, but also to maximize your professional success, they're saying as well. They understand the value of our time and have set out to make our life easier, more convenient with what they consider advanced technology and modern design. Their aspirations are to raise the bar on a modern home with convenience and creativity design. And that's what really got me so into this, was the designs of their products were a little bit extra and the technology, like they said, is 100% there. They also have like a 12-month warranty for things like that. But like I said, all of the reviews, no matter where I read them, were very, very strong. So the first item that I really intrigued me more than anything was the toaster, because this is something that everybody, if at least in our home, uses every single day. And the one that we chose, and there were different styles, so you don't have to choose this one. This one has the mirror type of stainless steel on both sides. The only thing with that, I feel it leaves a lot of fingerprints, but the other side is the side that has the color where you have your choices of colors. You could do black, you could do, like we did, the aqua, you could do a cream. There, like I said, you'll go on the website, you'll be able to see all of those color choices. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put, so you guys can see, this is the outer box that it came in. And to me, this is perfect for like gift giving times. And the prices on this run around $40. So they're reasonably priced, but they also have a lot of extra details that I never really thought about, you know, and once you read it and you're like, wow, that would be great if our toaster did that. So this is what it says on the outside of the box here. It says, savor the Redmond flavor, the Redmond touch. For the ones you love, hot food and warm hearts, nothing beats a Redmond start. And that's their slogan there. And then they have on the back here the what it is. So it says here simply that it has a 1-year warranty. It's a 900 watt. It has the LED timer on it, and it also has a defrost. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this down here, and I'm going to put the toaster this way facing you guys so that you guys will see. This side here has, like I said, it's such a shiny stainless steel that if I put it, it would act almost like a mirror. So I wanted to show this to you guys here. They also, inside here, it comes with a full manual, which I'll be going through with you. And then this, which I thought was really great. This is the toaster, and it has all the heat levels. So it's telling you that if it's, said these images are actually representation of a white toast with various toast heat levels, and the actual color of the toast may vary based on the type of bread, but they did a white bread, and that's level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. Is that not fantastic? So you're able to actually do that all based on the LED lighting that is there. So let me just read to you a couple of things that I took some notes on, and then I'm just going to double check in reference to the notes that I wrote. So this one is their 2 slice. They also had 4 slices, and we already have a 4 slice toaster, but when we got the opportunity to choose, I chose a 2 slice. And this is the extra wide slot, and it has touch screen stainless steel. It also has a cancel defrost heat function, and this has 6 shades, and like I said, this is the aqua. And it says it has the full touch LED countdown timer display. It has a smart toaster touchscreen that's equipped with the large LED screen, which is what you see up in front. And then it has the toast defrost, and it also has a reheat. It also has a cancel function and the shade control, which we already just went through, as well as a countdown timer. And like I said, it has the 6 shades. And then it goes on, and it, like I told you, it's 900. The rate voltage is 120, and they're saying that it will toast on both sides like every toaster would, but it has a digital technology that has an awesome toasting effect, and it also is the best way to start your day. And like I said, it has the stainless steel, it has the touch screen, it has an LED display, it has the countdown timer, and then you have your choices of colors, and it had the cord length was important also, is 33 inches, and then it has a cool touch surface, which I thought was important as well. So you have the digital shade control, the countdown timer, the multiple toaster functions, and also a removable crumb tray on the bottom. So I thought that was really great. And also it comes with their brochure. And in their brochure, right on the first page, which I think is absolutely fantastic, it tells you that they hope you're satisfied with all their products and services, and their products are covered for a free under a 12-month warranty. If you have any problems with any of your products, you can contact them not only by, they have done a bunch of different emails. So I think that's great. And then it tells you all the safeguards in here. It tells you the product images so you can go through everything. I love that how detailed this brochure is. And then it says before using for the first time, making toast, how to use the defrost, how to use the reheat button, how to use the cancel button, the hints, how you can care for it, the trumps, and then they have some troubleshooting in case there are any issues. And that's everything that's there. And then they also have redmond.usa on Facebook. They're also on Instagram, as well as they're saying also on YouTube. They also, like I mentioned, have all their emails as well. So that is the first item that we chose, and I think when it came, it was even more beautiful in person than what I thought it was going to be, and I cannot wait to start playing with it. So really, really excited. And I think also this is the time of year where you want to give gifts, and sometimes you want to give, items that every kitchen needs, which is a toaster, but you want something a little bit more unique. And to me, that's what this is. So you're able to give something with a little extra something. And to me, that's what makes a kitchen a happy place. So wanted to make sure to share that with you. Now, the next item was something that we'd never had, and it was something that intrigued me. So this is what this product is here. And it is their Smoothie Maker, I think it's called. Yeah, personal blender. That's what they call it, but I call it a Smoothie Maker. This also has the 1-year warranty. It's PBA free, and it is a 250 watt. This is what the outside of this box looks like here, and that is what it is here. On this one, we chose the color to be this cream color, so we can share with you different colors. And this is how beautiful this cream color is. I'm going to leave this box here so I can leave this up as best I can so you guys can see. So it has this gorgeous little rim that is going to disappear once I put it down, but it has that nice rim, and it has this really great retro. Like I said, what's amazing about this is the design is a design that I absolutely love, but the technology is what I love even more. So if you can match the design that I always love, which is retro, and then put it with the technology of today, I think it's an absolute win. So this one here, let me see my notes on this one, is called the Personal Blender. And this is the, it came with so many little items here. Let me show you the items first, because it's just easier than reading the notes. It comes with 2 of these containers, and when it arrives in the box, they're all in plastic. It's so well packaged. This one here has the container, and then this one is the exact same container, but it has that blender part on it. This is easily to remove, no problem. You just twist. It also has the blender with the blade inside. And then once you remove this, it comes with 2 of these, which are easy to drink out of. It has the closer mechanism here, which you open up and close. And then it also has the handle, which is so easy to carry with. And it came with 2 of those, and those are the matching colors. So if you ordered this in the aqua color, this would be aqua, and then these 2 components would be aqua as well. Then they also added in here this easy area to clean it with the brush. It comes with the stick. You place it on here. This is that little foam that when you're washing, it'll help you get to the bottom of the bottle. And then it also came with this fantastic little tray for ice or whatever you want to put in here. I think it is really, really fantastic. So I thought that was really a nice little extra touch. So they also said that this is powerful, but it's compact, and it says it will transform ordinary ingredients into extraordinary drinks, like milk smoothies with Redmond's original extractor. So this is what this looks like here. Those are the pictures, is the best way to show you here. So it's showing you how easy it is to put all the components in there. And then this, like I said, all the information will be on their website. They'll do a better job of, sharing with you all of that information. But I wanted to make sure that you knew about this brand and you saw the products that we chose for ourselves. And this also features 2 manual speeds plus a pulse speed. It has custom blend. It can effortlessly puree whole vegetables, fruits, nuts, seeds. Everything about it, I could not wait. And then, like I said, the material is mainly stainless steel, and this is like the perfect size. But what I loved even most is that not only could you make everything in here, then you remove the blade and you simply put on the cover, and then you can immediately drink from the bottle, and it closes, seals tightly, as well as being able to have a carrying handle. So those were the two items that we chose from Redmond. I wanted to make sure that you guys knew about it. I will leave their website down below. They always keep your eyes open for any specials, but like I said, if you're more comfortable, shopping on Amazon, and you're able to have, for holiday gifts, and then it's easy if it's something, or they want to change the color or anything like that, they seem to be really great customer service wise. So for me, take a look, read the reviews everywhere on Costco, as well as, on Amazon and on their website. But it's sometimes nice to read also, on other websites besides the website of the manufacturer, but for all the details and all the information. And like I said, this is USA. This is a company out of California. So like I said, the name of the brand is Redmond, and I wanted to make sure to share it with you. And I want to thank them very much for reaching out to TrueWants to be able to have me share on my channel, so that other people that don't know about their brand will have the opportunity now to explore it. Take care, everybody. Stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Bye for now.